Well, this is the new LiteChaser Pro for the iPhone 12 Pro from PolarPro. A lot of pros in there. It's come all the way from the States to the UK. As far as I'm aware, they've only just become available because on their website up until recently it was a pre-order. So I think the timing was pretty good in ordering this because as soon as I did, it was being delivered, and it's taken roughly just a week to come, so I'm quite pleased about that. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to unbox it, and I'm going to see how it fits all together and see what it's like on my iPhone 12. So here goes. This is the film-making kit, and I think it retailed for about $180. It comes with a case for the phone. There's a grip, and as far as I'm aware, I think that's a remote control as well. I'm not sure whether it incorporates a Bluetooth remote control. Not sure about that, but we'll see. It comes with a variable neutral density filter, 3 to 5 stops. And also, I think what was included in the pack, it was a free of charge, was a circular polarizer. So quite a nice little kit there. So what we'll do first then is we'll open the case. Its all features are built for iPhone 12 Pro. Minimalist design, compact enough to fit in most gimbals, robust enough for strong protection. Backbone of the LiteChaser Pro system. Dual material construction, features a soft rubber interior and a reinforced skeleton. So it should offer a fair bit of protection for the iPhone in itself. Get rid of that. This is the case. That will be the lens system, the filter system. There's a protective piece of foam, quite rubberized. I think there's something else. Cardboard back. So it's made of a rubberized material. It's got quite a nice, that's quite sort of soft velvety lining inside with gold LiteChaser Pro written inside. So I'll just go and get my phone and we'll see how that fits into the phone. iPhone 12 case, quick start guide. Insert bottom edge of the phone into bottom edge of the case. Push remaining corners, edges of the phone into the case until the phone is flush with the backing and secure. It's pretty straightforward. It fits like most cases do. So this is my iPhone 12 Pro. It's already got a case on it, so I'm going to have to take the existing case off, which is pretty straightforward to do. This will just insert the bottom edge into the phone, into the case. And it just snaps in, and you can see that in itself it acts as quite a nice little case anyway. It offers a fair bit of protection. So and you can see that the lens covering is quite well designed. That in itself would offer a fair bit of protection for your lenses. So that's the case. Next, I'm going to get the grip out. I can read what's on the back. Features: rail system allows adjustment for various hand sizes and switching between portrait and landscape modes. Securely mounts to the LiteChaser Pro case via a dual stage lock. Top quarter to 20-inch mount, ideal for lights, mics, or a Bluetooth shutter remote. I think that means that it doesn't come with the Bluetooth shutter remote. That's an optional extra. And the bottom is a 1/4-inch mount provides an extremely powerful connection to a tripod. There we go. So it's actually just a grip. I was under the impression it might have been the Bluetooth shutter, but it's not. It's just the grip. Get that out, and that's the grip. So I'm not entirely sure how this fits, but we can take a look. Obviously it will fit. Oh, it just pulls, I think just pulls out and clips into place like that. So you can see that's the grip. You can either it's fairly straightforward. It just clips into place, and then you press that to take the release off. But also, I think you can stand it up, which is quite useful. And then you've got your standard screw mounts, top and bottom, for obviously a microphone on top and a tripod on the bottom. So that's that one. And then we've got our filters. We've got a V&D filter and a circular polarizer. These come in a nice little case of their own, which is quite nice, quite handy to have a case for these. It's quite a nice case. Almost looks like a case within a case. So yeah, there's a. I think it's pretty much like a case within a case. What you do here then, obviously, is these must attach. You've got some slots. So it must line up with the slots somehow, and it clips in, and you take the cover off, and there you go. Very very nice quality. And of course, what you can do is and there you go, you've got your grip and your filter system. we're ready to go. So yeah, I quite like that. That's quite neat. That is just the that's quite neat. That's the LiteChaser Pro, the new LiteChaser Pro for the iPhone 12 Pro. I'll enjoy using that. Okay, thanks for watching.